Hello everyone, and welcome to our look at these versatile Hossejoy Stackable Storage Bins for your home. These 4 gray plastic organizers are perfect for tidying up shoes, clothes, toys, and office supplies easily. You can stack them vertically to maximize your space, or use each bin separately wherever you need. The mesh design lets you see exactly what is inside, while keeping your items fresh and well ventilated. Setting them up takes seconds, because you just snap the panels into place with no tools required. When they are not in use, simply fold them flat to save space under your bed or closet. These durable bins look great in any room and help you maintain a clean and organized lifestyle today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.